Hello guys, KaneFan701 here again. Yesterday we had that big thunderstorm, but here comes the second one, and this one looks even bigger than the one we had yesterday. As you just saw, a big flash of lightning bolt, and well, listen for yourselves, the dark side of summer has erupted. As you guys could hear there, that's a big vapor thunder in that cloud, and the wind's actually kicking up as well, so I'm not too sure if this is actually a small tornado trying to form, because that wind is kicking up badly. I don't know about you guys, but it seems like this thunderstorm's going to last for a lot longer than it did the last time when we had it flying over to us. I'm telling you, the dark side of Mother Nature has erupted. It's going to fly right over me, so try and wait this one out. Damn. The BBC weather guys did get it right. This is the thunderstorm that's going to go right over me. Well, like I did last time, hopefully I'll try and ride this one out. Take care everybody, and stay safe where you are as well. For any of you guys in the UK as well, keep doors inside, and again, try and ride this one out if you can. Damn.